Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about Venmo Debit Card. Now, I am in Venmo right now, so let's go ahead and go to cards right here. In this section, you will see two cards, your Venmo credit card and Venmo debit card. So in this video, we are going to talk about Venmo debit card, so let's tap on it. So my Venmo debit card is still on its way. So when I get the physical card, I would need to activate it. So in here, you can see your balance, and also you can see a button that you can tap to add money. So down below, you can set up balance reloads, and also you can set up low balance alert so that you will be notified if you are running low on budget. So if you scroll down, you can also sign up for direct deposit. So if you want to directly transfer funds to your Venmo debit card, you can do it here. You also have card offers here, which gives you discount for selected brands such as Adidas, which can give you 10% and so much more. The Venmo debit card is free, so you can request it free of charge. You also don't need to maintain a certain amount of money in your account to keep the card active. So here you can see your card number, and you can also change your PIN directly from this app. You can also disable your card temporarily if there are some security issues or if you just don't want to use it for a certain amount of time. You can also add your Venmo debit card to Apple Pay, Google Pay. You can even link your card to Amazon. Alright, so that is all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.